really wet hill, and I'm about to get stuck. Oops. She died on me.
What's wrong, Jack?
Stuck. You knew that's what happened, Dad. That's why you started filming.
Back up and get a run at it. Keep going. What are you doing, Jack?
Walking back home.
Walking home?
Yeah.
Why?
I got the truck stuck.
What'd you do?
We got the truck stuck.
We did.
Yeah. You were part of it.
You did. Oh, man. What are we going to do now?
Walk back home, call Mom.
How are we going to get the truck out?
Tractor tomorrow.
Tractor? What happens if you get the tractor stuck, too?
And we got the tractor and truck stuck, and we gotta wait till summer.
Wait till summer?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to let you drive anymore.
It was so wet. Look.